Do I smell cookies?
Do.
Chelsea, what are you making?
Right now we're making bridesmaid proposal cookies.
Pack them up. I want to learn all about them. I made a cup of tea. Let's chat.
Okay.
Hi, Chelsea.
Hi.
Thank you for joining me for a cookie chat where we are going to be discussing the beautiful cookies you made for us. So talk to me about the design process.
Sure. So these are bridesmaid proposal cookies. So it's kind of a sweet way to ask your best friends to stand by your side.
Literally.
Literally. They have kind of a cutout, which I think is unique. I've seen it a lot in the community and I was really excited to try it myself. So you take a smaller cutter and you cut out a piece of the dough into a larger shape. It could be a circle, in this instance it's a square, and that allows a fun little interactive way for your friends to say yes or no.
Well, they're not going to say no.
gonna say
You didn't give them the option.
I
You
didn't.
said yes or
Heck
heck yes.
yes.
How long have you been decorating cookies?
I've been decorating cookies about 3 years. I'm in my 3rd year now.
Wow.
I actually was talking to a prior boss about it, and she was like, hey, I'm going on a bachelorette party in 2 weeks. Why don't I bring some cookies? I was like, absolutely, great first order. It's on me. What would you like? And she wanted unicorn cookies. And I just assumed that they would come out like what I see on Instagram. I was dead wrong. I don't think I actually ended up showing people my cookies like 6 months after starting because it takes a while to ramp up.
For the cookie itself, is it the same recipe? If so, what is the recipe?
It is. So it's actually a really simple sugar cookie recipe. You cream together sugar and butter. You add in an egg, add in some flour and a pinch of salt, and that's it.
So Toshi's Treats is not your full-time job.
No.
So how do you balance your full-time job with Toshi's Treats?
So it's definitely hard. It's not for the faint of heart, but when you find something that you love and you're so passionate about, it gets easier.
Let's say your frosting smears or something else happens. How do you recover from a cookie decorating fail?
So what I do to help myself through those fails is I just give myself a lot of time. I've had batches of dough where I've forgotten a stick of butter and I can't use it now. But luckily I'm not down to the wire.
And so cookie decorating involves a lot of patience.
A lot, which is ironically something I never had a lot of until I started.
Yeah, I don't think I'll ever get that. So no cookie decorating for me. For anybody out there that wants to use these cookies for a bridesmaid proposal, how would you go about packaging them?
I package up my cookies so that they can safely get from one place to another. What I did for my bridesmaids was I got a little bit of a larger box so I can add in some other cute elements.
How many bridesmaids are you having in your wedding party?
So I'm actually having 8.
So with 8 bridesmaids, do you think there's gonna be any bridesmaid drama?
I actually don't. Believe it or not, the girls I have are true and true. So because everyone has such a good vibe, I actually think it's gonna be smooth sailing. I don't foresee any drama.
So no cat fights?
No cat fights.
Let's hope, knock on wood. Is this How involved do you want your bridesmaids to be in the wedding planning?
So honestly, they can be as involved or as uninvolved as they want. I'm pretty hands-on with most of the wedding planning, but I love running things by them, getting their opinions. My maid of honor asked to come dress shopping with me, and I was so excited to have her as a part of that. So I think it's really gonna be like case-by-case, event-by-event basis.
So you got your wedding dress already.
I did.
Can you spill any details? Fine. Can you spill any details about the bridesmaid dresses?
Yes. So I haven't picked out exactly what style yet. I'll probably kind of have them choose the style, whatever they feel comfortable in. And the only stipulation will really be the color. There's this beautiful cinnamon burnt orange color that I'm loving and want to incorporate in my big day. And that's what I really foresee them being in.
I love that color. What are you looking forward to the most on your wedding day?
The first one would be that moment when the doors open and Sean is down the aisle. I'm really looking forward to that. I don't think I'm gonna make it down the aisle dry-eyed.
Oh, yep.
And then
Waterproof mascara.
I know. And then the second thing would probably be our first dance. Any moment where it's just like the two of us for a second, I think will be really nice.
So beautiful. Thank you so much, Chelsea,
Thank
for
you.
joining me for another cookie chat. Make sure to subscribe to the WeddingWire channel for more videos with Chelsea and Toshi's Treats. See you guys next time. Bye.